Right, so non-customer facing roles also need to find ways to live customer centricity. The most customer-centric organizations are customer-centric in all areas of the business. Everyone has a way that they can live and display customer-centric behaviors. So Meta had talked about servant leadership as one key important factor. But what does customer centricity mean in HR, or finance, or operations? People in those roles need to understand that they exist to serve a customer. It's an internal customer, but they need to really get good at understanding what does value really look like to them. Are there different types of customer segments that they need to understand and serve in different ways? And having that mindset in everything that they do will make the end customer-facing role colleagues really see that customer centricity is alive and well. It's not just for me, it's something that I experience and feel in the organization. And if a company really gets this right, great customer experiences lead to great employee experiences. Employees all around become much happier, and it is a self-fulfilling cycle that we can enjoy.